Hey, what's up? This is your boy Carver from j-stylefilms, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to export multiple video clips from Premiere Pro, also known as batch exporting. So jumping right into this, I have 4 different clips I want to export. Instead of doing that one at a time, I'm just going to select all of those sequences that I have. So I've got basically a video clip inside each one of these sequences. I'm going to select each one of these sequences. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to go to export media. And what that's going to do is pull up my media dialog box. And from here, I'm going to drop a preset on all of these because I already have my settings for any type of YouTube exports set up. But if you don't, all you have to do is go through here and select all your bitrate settings and quality and all of that type of stuff and check and uncheck anything that you want. You can also publish these as well. But moving on, if you hit the Q button, what that's going to do is open up your media encoder application. Hopefully you got that because that application is extremely helpful. And all that does is put everything in a queue and I can export all of these. Now, if I wanted to select the destination for all of these, making sure that, you know, I want all of these to export into in the same location like desktop, I could hit choose and then, you know, you'll see here that it's kind of switched up. Also here, if I wanted to make any further tweaks to, you know, settings for each individual one or all of these, I could just, with it selected, I could hit this and it would bring up the dialog box to make any additional settings. And I would get that message. Of course, I could skip it. And you'll see here, it's basically the same setting options that I had previously. So really all you have to do is just, once you get here, make sure you select your output destination and then hit play. And that's pretty much it. This play button starts the queue, the render queue, and it spits everything out to that destination. So that's pretty much it. I will not waste your time. Hopefully I will save you some time with this method. And if you like this video, it was helpful, give me a like, leave a comment, and that's it. Peace.